Three common mistakes everyone makes using Facebook ads to market your local business. Hi, today I'm going to cover three common mistakes everyone makes using Facebook ads when we are marketing our local business. Let's begin. Who am I? My name is Eddie. I've been doing business online since 1996. I've started and built several web properties, building one of them to 8 digits turnover with zero ad spend. I'm a certified trainer. I'm a accredited business coach and consultant. I currently work with companies and individuals from all parts of the world. I employ the coach, consult, and train approach. So if you're interested, hit me up. Okay, before we begin the presentation proper, would you be interested in knowing how to get up to 250% more conversion to your website with one simple 10-minute strategy? It's as simple as that, 10 minutes. Okay, if you're interested, the QR code is on the screen. You can scan the QR code or alternatively use the URL on the screen now, or you can just simply email me at hey@eddieteo.com. That's hey@eddieteo.com. I'll be repeating this slide again at the end of the presentation. So let's begin. Did you know that the average Facebook user clicks on 12 ads per month? And it's true, and it illustrates why Facebook ads are still one of the most cost-effective ways to connect with your target audience and build your business. But only if you are not messing them up. Okay, so if you're not messing them up, you can't say, whether your Facebook ads are perfect or not. Maybe they are, maybe they are not. But the truth is, most people do mess them up, and the mistakes that they make cause their ad campaigns to be more expensive and generally less effective than they should be. Okay, fortunately, there is a quick fix. By understanding the three most common mistakes people make, you can stop making them and start to get the results you deserve. Okay, here they are. Number one, targeting ads to people who aren't already fans. Okay, there are a few ways to think about it, about this one, and look at this one. Okay, aren't you supposed to be using Facebook ads to grow your target audience? Okay, the first mistake can be a real head scratcher for some small business owners. Aren't you supposed to be using, Facebook ads to grow your target audience? Or why am I still targeting those people who already knows me or who already likes me? Okay, so the catch is you will get more engagement and more clicks if you target people who already like you. So the short answer is no, not really. You can, but we are not saying that you should never run an ad that targets new customers. But those are cold audience. Okay, but you will get more engagement and more clicks if you target the people who already like your company. Okay, so people who, you think about this, yeah, it should make some sense. If the people who follow you on Facebook already, they are actually qualified leads. Okay, and if they are qualified leads, some may already have bought from you, but all of them are people who have shown enough interest in your company that click the follow button or click the like on your page. Running ads that appear only to followers is a great way to nurture your leads and encourage repeat business, and let your followers know that you want to connect. You want them to connect with you. Okay, so it's a kind of a complicated issue. It's a chicken and an egg question. So which came first, the chicken or the egg? So what if you do not have a following or want to grow your current following? So if you are a local business, it makes sense to run an awareness ad campaign to your locale. So like campaigns are still a valuable way to bring that attention and awareness to your Facebook page and to your local business. Okay, so what makes the campaign that much more valuable is your subsequent ad strategy by running ads to people who already are familiar with your business and those who may want to do business with you. So that is the reason why, I'm suggesting that you should be running campaigns to target people who already knows you. Okay. So number two, not testing your ad images. Okay. So few people can get an ad right the first time they create it. Even for agencies like ours, we do testings. We do multiple test sets, we do multiple ad sets, etc., etc. Even the professionals, marketers like us, we struggle with creating ads that work first, off the shelf, almost impossible. And we do this for a living. So the case most of the time, the campaign's success and failures depends on the images that we use and the content that we create. Okay, so not testing our ad images and just relying on a single image or a single piece of content when you're doing your Facebook ads, that is a really a big no-no. Okay, so the goal of our ad is to stop a scroller from scrolling. Okay, that I cannot stress it more than enough. The right image can stop someone midway and get them to stop scrolling and get them to click on your ad. Okay, the wrong image will make them ignore your ad or worse, view, with some degree of, this is a terrible ad, some degree of unhappiness or disdain. The goal of your ad is to stop the scroller again from scrolling in the first place. So that picture or that image that you're using should make them stop. Okay, so the only way to find out which image will resonate with most of your target audience, and that's to test multiple images. So multiple ad sets, multiple images that you use for each ad set, even multiple test ABs that even to C's and D's and E's even, multiple test sets that you should be coming out with. Okay, so do check out Facebook's breakdown of ad image best practices. Now that we will be remiss if we didn't say anything that you should be testing everything on your ads, but images have the potential to make or break your ad in a heartbeat, and that means that you should be prioritizing them. You may want to check out Facebook's breakdown of ad image best practices. Is available on Facebook, so you just need to search for them. Okay, so number three, not segmenting your ads. The third and final mistake we want to tell you is about one that may also be the most common, not segmenting your ads. Okay, think about the various segments of your target audience and create an array of ads to appeal to each segment. Okay, so there's no denying that it requires less effort to create a single ad to reach each and every follower, but every single human is different out there. No one is identically the same, even for twins. Okay, that's another story another time. So the problem is that an ad that's highly appealing to one follower of yours may be a complete dud for another. So you can't please everybody. So you will be better off thinking about the various segments of your target audience and creating an array of ads to appeal to each segment, rather than just try to shoehorn everybody into the same box. That's not going to happen. Yeah. Okay, let's consider this one potential example of this. Imagine a flooring company that has multiple service areas and locations. Okay, they create a single ad that targets the entire list of followers. That might be okay, but think about how much more successful if they were to do this. One, create a location specific ad. Okay, creating a location-specific ads that allow their followers in each service area to know that they are a local company and they serve the local people. Okay, so another way to look about the another one is to use images tailored for each location. So you may want to use images that are appealing to specific cities, even towns, etc., etc. Okay, another way is to offer location-based incentives to people who click on each ad. You may have a specific branch in a particular town or a city that you may want to be trying to promote or etc. etc. Or trying to bring up the business or trying to beat the competitors there. You may want to consider offering location-based incentives. Okay, so it's rare for one size fits all ad to be as effective. The main thing to remember is that it's almost impossible for one to have one ad that fits all. Okay, it's not going to be as effective if you're only using a single ad that's targeted to a specific segment of your audience. People are far more likely to respond favorably to an ad that's meant for them than to one that is trying to be all things to all people. Okay, so Facebook ads. That being said, Facebook ads are undeniably effective if you do them right. By reviewing your existing ads and eliminating the 3 mistakes that I've outlined here, you are likely to get more engagement, more clicks, and more leads than you are currently without spending more money. Yeah. Okay. That's it. That concludes my presentation for a short one today. So would you be interested in knowing how to get up to 250% more conversion to your website with one simple 10-minute strategy? If you are interested, the QR code is on screen. You may want to scan that, or you can use the URL on the screen, or you can just hit me an email. My email address is eddie@edditeo.com. Okay, so if you're interested, hit me up. Okay, so take action now. Please don't just sit there. Acquiring the knowledge or the understanding doesn't bring you anywhere. You need to do something about it. I look forward to hearing your successful stories, or even those not so successful stories. Please do share them with me. We'll try to break them down and see what we can do to bring these things forward a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so if you're interested in contacting me, my WhatsApp, please WhatsApp me, text messages, please, WhatsApp me at this number on the screen, or you can hit me an email at hey@edditeo.com. This presentation is by me, Eddie. I look forward to seeing you again in my next presentation. Thank you. Cheers.